wants to know, what was the hardest part of MS Dhoni's life to portray on the big screen?
I think to understand why is he the way he is. I've been his fan for like last 12 years, but this was one thing that I was very, very curious about. That how does he think? Because we know how he is while he's making decisions, but the thinking pattern was something very, very intriguing, and that was the toughest part.
Avijit Singh says you dropped out of engineering and chased your dreams. This is quite similar to what Dhoni sir did. Did you identify with him?
In that context, yes, but normally there is one similarity that we share, and that is that we are just not obsessed about the future. Although we think about the goals, and we believe in that, and then we just leave it there. It's right here, right now, which is very, very, very important. And when you do it, you'll get to know how. Because ultimately, after you arrive somewhere, you get everything, you tend to realize that, oh, this is not what I expected. So that's not the fun part of it.
So you can't obsess with that?
Yeah, so I take loan of happiness from the future and I use it in the present.
Naveed Khan says, your advice for people who want to chase their dreams, their passions.
Know why do you want that. I think that's very important. And there's no correct why or wrong why. As long as you know it, that's it. You just go for it. And
you have to be honest.
Honest and not even an iota of doubt. You have to be absolutely certain it's going to happen.
And Alia Licious on Twitter has asked, all the very best for Dhoni. Who is your favorite cricketer apart from Dhoni?
AB, Virat.
And Rehmat says, how challenging was it to balance the core plot of Dhoni, his journey as a cricketer, vis-a-vis his personal life?
As an actor, what we need to do is to we try and convince ourselves that we are the character, or if not that, then at least that the feeling that we have the authority to portray the character. So do a lot of research. It's when we look back, we make sense, but then when we are doing it, like the complete emotion is the key. You're just listening to him, and talking to him, reading the script again and again, and just it's very organic.
So you didn't have to sort of balance. I mean, did you have any input in the screenplay and the balance of personal and professional? Did you say maybe we should focus on this, or did the screenplay come completely
No, absolutely
done?
nothing.
No?
First 3-4 months was complete, like very exhaustive research, and then when we got the script, like it was finding the intent of the film and intent of all the scenes that we did. Was it?
And was there any one element that you just found yourself unable to kind of, or it took a while, did you have to struggle to portray that? Was there anything in his life that was just, very hard to connect with?
Yeah, like I don't think about the past that much. My failures, my successes, they are my own. I take the responsibility. I'm very, very proud of it. But there was a tendency to think about the future. It wasn't like constantly I was trying to create that illusion that I am in control, And I used to make flowcharts and all. If this happens, I'll do that.
Really?
Yeah, but
the flowcharts of agar ye ho gaya to ye nahi.
So I'm sure about where do I want to be after 6 months or a year. But if so this happens like this, if plan B, plan C like that. But after 6 months, I'm there, and then another flowchart. So it works, but then it kind of dilutes the experience because you're obsessed about that. So yeah, that thing was slightly tricky.
Don't make flowcharts.
Don't make flowcharts.
Chandni Singh is asking, how different was your experience shooting from your first TV show to this latest movie? Like how are the experiences different?
It's not. It's the paychecks are different, but the experience is the same. I've been doing. I started off with theatre for 5 years, and then was TV 3 years, and this is the 30th in the films. No matter if you put TV camera or a film camera or live audience in front of me, I will do the same thing. So that's it. The experience is the same.
We're getting a lot of compliments. I'll just read out one. Neha is saying, Sushant, you're a really amazing actor and keep up the good work.
Thank you.
So guys, I think that's it. Thanks for joining in.